I'm Gus with Brigade Manufacturing. Brigade just purchased 7 new machines from Doosan, which include several horizontals and several vertical machining. This new acquisition will boost our production substantially. We have a capacity right now to do about between 2,500 and 3,000 guns a month. This should bring us up to about close to 5,000 guns a month, which is a substantial lift in production. The new machines are going to give us capacity to do new products, which we have zero capacity right now with the machines that we have in place. Brigade just purchased a new facility, which is 2.5 times what we have right now. This will give us ample space for new machines and new product development.